In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the CT Vipers Team Makeup look. I'm starting off with a few optional prep steps. First, I'm putting on eyeshadow patches so that I get a sharp cat eye. You can also use tape or even the edge of a band-aid in a pinch. Then I'm applying a thin layer of primer across the eyelid to help lock in the eyeshadow. Next, I'm dusting a little loose setting powder under my eyes, and this will catch any eyeshadow fallout and makes cleanup really easy. Now we're onto the eyeshadow look. Start with the light pink shimmer color and use your fingertip to press it into your inner eyelid and near the tear duct. You can also use a Q-tip to apply the color in hard to reach areas. Now use a fluffy brush to sweep away any loose shadow. Now we're using the matte pink color. So use a dome-shaped brush and lightly apply it into the crease all the way to the outer edge of the crease. We're going for a subtle hue of this color, so you don't want to apply too much. Switch to a fluffy brush to blend it and soften out the color. Next, use the black eyeshadow. So use a dome-shaped brush to press it into the outer corner in a V shape. Now use a dome-shaped brush with any leftover black shadow and lightly press it into the crease so that the black is lightly stacked on the pink in the crease and the pink is just peeking out. Switch to a fluffy brush and blend the color to soften it lightly. If you want a more dramatic look, you can spray the dome-shaped brush with setting spray and pick up more of the black eyeshadow and apply it in the outer corner, and that will make the color really stand out. Use a fluffy brush to lightly blend it out. Next, we're using the hot pink shimmer eyeshadow, and use your fingertip to press it into the center of your lid and lightly blend it with your fingertip towards the inner lid and outer lid. Repeat that on the other eye. You can also use a foam applicator to apply the eyeshadow onto the lid. If you want the pink to pop a little more, you can spray some setting spray onto your fingertip, and then when you pick up the eyeshadow, it will be super vibrant. Use a fluffy brush to lightly blend it out. Now I'm using the black shadow to apply eyeliner. So I'm spraying in an angled liner brush with some setting spray and picking up some black eyeshadow. Then I'm dragging the liner brush along my eye and taking it right up to the edge of the eyeshadow patch for a wing. I'm going to take the eyeshadow patches off now for a big reveal of my cat eye. So to do this, you want to slowly and carefully peel these patches back, otherwise it's like ripping off a band-aid. If you added powder under your eyes, you can sweep it away along with any eyeshadow fallout. Now I'm going to line under my eye using the black eyeshadow that is still on the angled brush so that it isn't too heavy. Then I'm using a Q-tip to blur the line under my eye and also along the cat eye edge to soften it slightly. If you want to tightline your eye, you can do that as well. I have sensitive eyes, so I always use an eyeliner pencil to tightline my waterline. Next, it's time for mascara. So I like to add 2 coats for extra volume. Now we're moving on to lips. I'm going to show you both lip products, but to start with, use a makeup wipe to clean your lips so that there's no oils, balm, or makeup on them. For junior, youth, and tiny teams, use the Fuchsia lip stain pen. Give it a good shake and then line your lips with the lip stain pen. Fill them in after and let it dry completely for a few minutes. For senior teams, use the matte liquid lipstick in Viper Kiss. Line your lips with the lipstick and then fill them in after. Give the liquid lipstick a couple minutes to dry completely. To keep your lip color transfer proof for both of these lip products, it's really important to avoid all chapstick, lip balm, lip gloss underneath the lip color or over top. You want to keep the lip color in the dry matte finish. For the final step, I'm adding some magnetic lashes. This is optional, but I love false lashes to frame off a dramatic look. And that's the finished look for CT Vipers. Have a great season, everyone!